Hey guys, it's Angie. Today I'm going to do a little Q&A video.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
You might be wondering, where are you? I am in Portugal and I'm like in the little patio of where we're staying. There is some noise, so I'm hoping you can't hear it. Anyways, I've always wanted to do a Q&A video, so what I did was I went on Instagram and asked you guys what you wanted to know about anything in general. I got a couple of your questions and I'm going to answer them. I feel like this video is gonna be horrible and there's gonna be so much noise. There's literally like a garage right here and I'm by the ocean, so you probably hear like the waves crashing or the breeze, and there's someone hammering something. Like, they couldn't have found a better time to do that. Shame on them. They stopped? No, they didn't. Let's jump right in. First question. What do you use to edit? I don't know if you mean like for my pictures or for my videos, but for my pictures, basically I use Visco and Afterlight and sometimes Photoshop, but it's like a process. And for my videos, oh my god. And for my videos, I just use Premiere Pro. And let me know if you guys want to see how I do either of those. I might show you. Oh my god, why does my phone keep blocking? Alright, second question. What inspires you the most? You know, I just realized I didn't plan out the answers for these, and that probably would have been a good idea. What inspires me the most? I don't even know how to answer that. We're off to a great start. What inspires me the most? I guess seeing other people's success in doing the things that I want to do, and like seeing what other people come up with. I guess it inspires me to create better things, and then once I do create things that I like, that inspires me. Like, my own work inspires me because I see that I have potential, so then it just inspires me to keep going from there and see what I can do with that. Who is your favorite in-law? That's a hard question. I'm not gonna answer that one. What is your favorite place to travel to? I'm guessing you mean like place that I've been to. Honestly, I think my favorite place so far has been the Algarve in Portugal, because it's mostly beaches and I really like the beach. It gave me such a chill vibe with like the hotel we were staying at and all of that. By the way, go check out my Algarve vlog if you want to see what I loved about that city. What is a Disney movie you wish you were in? You guys ask really hard questions. I feel like maybe I was about to say Monsters Inc. and then I realized that's not a Disney movie. I guess Cinderella, because like that I could get dressed up for the ball and stuff, I guess. I don't know. I didn't think it through. How many countries have you visited and named them? I've been to a couple countries, but like several cities in each country. So I feel like it's not even that much. So, okay, let's start. Obviously, United States and Venezuela and Portugal, because that's where I'm in now. Then we have France, Belgium, England, Netherlands, Aruba. I believe Aruba isn't a country. Pretty sure it's not. It's like part of like the Netherlands or something. Germany. Wait, I lost count. US, Venezuela, Portugal, France, Spain, obviously, Belgium, Germany, Netherlands, England. I think it's about 9, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Absolutely not sure about that. What's your go-to coffee order? I don't really like I don't go to Starbucks a lot, so I would go and get their I used to work right next to a McDonald's, and I would always go and get coffee there when I was just not feeling it. And what I would get there was the French vanilla latte, the hot one, and the small one. Small, hot French vanilla latte. I mean, it's good. I don't really go to Starbucks, so. What are your religious views, if you have any? Religion is a little bit complicated for me, because like I was baptized and I did my first communion in the Catholic Church, but I don't really like fully believe in it. Like, it's complicated. Like, okay, I know there's someone up there and that there's a God. I'm not too sure about, like, I don't know. Honestly, I'm as confused as you are. Best part of traveling. I think my favorite part is like getting to know different cultures, practicing their languages. That's a big one because I love coming to Portugal and practicing Portuguese. And I really want to go to Brazil because the Portuguese I know is like Brazilian Portuguese. So I really want to go over there and see how much I actually know. So I guess then the languages, but also culture, and then like I like immersing myself and like meeting people here and doing things like that. Can you skate? No. I tried it once with my boyfriend, but I don't think that really counts. I can ice skate though. I used to be really good. My mom like signed me up for classes once. I went like maybe 3 times and then I didn't go anymore. So I could do like a cute little spin or something, but that's ice skating, not regular skate. Oh, and I fell really badly trying to roller skate once, and I was like, nope, never doing it again. I literally hurt my butt because I landed on my butt. On top of that, I got sick like the day after, and every time I sneezed, my butt would hurt. That only happens to me. How do you edit your videos? It's a long process, but basically I use Premiere Pro. It's a really long process. If you want, I can make a video on it, but where do you get all your ideas for edits on videos and posts for Insta? It's all so much. Does someone else help you with them? So basically, where do I get my ideas from, and does someone help me? My ideas, I just like, before I even started YouTube, I would watch a lot of YouTube. So, and I still do, and I just like, it's a freaking addiction. Like, I go on YouTube, and I'll see one video, and then I'll see another one, and then I'll see another one, and I have, my watch later list is like 700 videos. I'm never gonna get to finish. I don't know, I just see on YouTube the videos that I enjoy the most, and then that's what I try to recreate. And does anyone help me with them? My boyfriend, because he always like gives me little ideas, and like I'll be editing and I'll be on the phone with him and he'll be like, oh, you should do that, or I think that looks better, or whatever. My sister helps me out with like Instagram and like tips and stuff like that because she did marketing in college. And I think that's about it. Sorry if I left you out. What camera do you use for your videos? My camera is the Canon EOS 80D, I believe, with the lens that I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry, I suck. But I'll put it up on the screen right now. I'm bad with memory. I recommend this camera for recording, except that the autofocus is kind of loud, and I use it for vlogging too, and that's very inconvenient because it's a DSLR. So it's like huge. But the thing is, I just needed a camera that worked for everything because I do a little bit of photography too, so I wanted it to be like good for everything, and I think this is the best thing I could do, but it's a little pricey. What's your next destination? I don't know because I don't have any like trips planned per se. I do want to go to Greece and Italy and Brazil and so many more countries, but that's probably not gonna happen anytime soon. But of course, I'll show you guys when I do go there. We need more makeup stuff. That's not a question, but I did just post a makeup video, so you can go watch that in the meanwhile. And maybe I will post more makeup stuff. Like, I don't post it that much because I feel like I'm not good at makeup, like, at all. Like, I just learned my everyday routine, and then that's about it. Like, I don't really experiment much, and right now I don't really have much to experiment with because I'm not in the US, so I don't have like the same like products I have over there and all of that. But I might try to experiment some more when I get home and show you guys. How long does it take you to edit each video? Each video, honestly, ages. If I were to just like sit down and get it done like at once, maybe like, depends on the length of the video and like what's the video about and stuff, but I think usually it's about like 5 hours if I sit down and do it, which never happens. And it's a long process of me not feeling like doing anything because editing is tedious. I like doing it, but I'm kind of like a perfectionist, so I want everything to be like just right. And if I want to do something that I don't know how to do, I'll go on YouTube and find out how to do it and then try to accomplish it, stuff like that. So like it takes me ages. Where did you get that bag? I'll put a picture here of the bag, and I got it at this little like marketplace here. It's like a nearby city to where we're staying, and they have a market every Monday, so we try to go because you can find like cute things and for cheap prices. I saw like similar styles on internet, and I was like, I want a bag like that. And then we went over there and I was like, okay, which one do I want? And I bought it. What's the best place you've traveled to and why? I basically already answered this, the Algarve. Oh, but I really love Paris. I don't know, I love the idea of Paris and I've been there, but I haven't like stayed there. Like I haven't had like a hotel there or anything, and I really want to get that experience of like staying somewhere where you can see the Eiffel Tower and it's like a super cute little French room with like a balcony and you know the typical like Paris post you see. I want to do that, but I haven't gotten to, so I basically answered that already. So, and last but not least, there's just one more question, which is what is your favorite thing about yourself, physically and emotionally? I think emotionally I'm like really strong, even though like I go around saying I don't care what people think, but obviously I do. I always have some sense of it, but I don't get anything like, did I just say I don't get anything? I don't let anything get to me because I think it's like a waste of time, you know, like just move on with your life. You think I'm ugly? Okay, cool. I know I'm not, so your point is? No, but like on the real, I think I'm really strong emotionally, and it's like, it's kind of hard to hurt my feelings. So that's my favorite thing emotionally. And physically, I think maybe my eyelashes, maybe, because I don't know, my mom's always saying my eyelashes are like super long, and she wishes she had my eyelashes. So I guess you gotta be thankful for what you got, right?
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good.
So that is it for this video. Let me know what you think. I hope you liked it. I think I'm so bright. You know what to do. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, stalk me on the social medias, hit that bell to get notified every time I post, and yeah, just stay tuned for more because should be some exciting things coming. I don't know, I'm just making that up, but hopefully, you know, and we'll see where we can take this. Bye.